keep getting people asking me in the comment section on a lot of my videos about, can this bike run on the highway? And I've answered that question many times over, many times over, but it keeps getting asked. So I'm going to start linking, I'm going to create a highway run video, and I'm going to start linking everybody to this video. It's going to be the purpose of this. Listen to me carefully. With the Kenda K781 or 784, I think, big block tires. With the SW Motec crash guards, SW Motec skid plate, Pelican 1500 series panniers that stick out into the wind, and with this big old windscreen, it will go 80 miles an hour up a hill. That is all she will do, is 80 miles an hour up a hill. Plus me in the top box and all that, and the stuff that's in it. If you need to go faster than 80 miles an hour, you need a bigger bike. Better option, take the little 2 lanes and enjoy the ride. But if you need to go on the interstate, yes, you can go 80 miles an hour, which will give you a speeding ticket. In the state of Kentucky and Tennessee both, at 80 miles an hour, they can give you a speeding ticket. On the interstate, on the big highways, they're posted at 70, 65 and 70 miles an hour. I shot this little video clip just to prove that yes, it will do that, but it is tapped out. There is a lot of wind drag that comes off these big panniers and off this big windscreen and all that. So yes, it did slow it down. I lost a good 10 miles an hour. Keep that in mind when building an adventure bike. If you've got an issue with it, buy a bigger bike.